Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to list property for sale on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you're a first-time seller or looking to upgrade your real estate game, Facebook Marketplace is a game changer. With its massive user base and updated features for 2025, you can reach potential buyers right in your local area quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. If you don't have one, it's time to create it. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, head over to the Marketplace tab, usually found on the left-hand side of your homepage or by searching for it in the menu. Step 2. Click on the Sell or Create New Listing button. You'll see options for different categories, so select Housing or Real Estate. Facebook has made this even more specific in 2025 to help with targeted searches. Now, fill in the details. Start with a catchy title that highlights the key features of your property, like spacious 3-bedroom home in your area. Next, write a detailed description. Be honest and include essentials like square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, amenities, and any unique selling points. Don't forget to set a competitive price and add your location for accurate visibility. Pro tip. In 2025, Facebook's AI suggestions can help you optimize your listing, so use that to your advantage. Now, upload high-quality photos and videos. This is crucial. Clear images can make your property stand out. Aim for at least 5 to 10 photos showing different angles. If your property has virtual tours, add those too. It's a new feature that's popular now. Once everything looks good, review your listing for any errors. Double-check the price, description, and contact info. Hit Post, and you're live. Your listing will appear in the Marketplace feed, and you can manage it from your account. A few quick tips for 2025. Use Facebook's boosted posts to reach more people, respond promptly to inquiries, and always prioritize safety by meeting buyers in public places. There you have it. Listing your property is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more real estate tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.